Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Electro Pixels. In today's video, we'll be fixing a common issue found in THOMSON, VIDEOCON, and SANSUI LED TVs where the display appears upside down. I'll show you a simple method to access the service mode and correct this problem. For this process, you will need a Mi smartphone. First, open the Mi Remote app and pair your TV using the VIDEOCON remote option. After pairing is complete, go to the home screen of your TV. Now, using the paired VIDEOCON remote inside the Mi Remote app, press the freeze button as demonstrated in the video. Once you press this button, the TV will automatically enter service mode, allowing you to adjust the settings and fix the upside-down picture issue. Follow the steps carefully, and your TV should be back to normal in no time. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our latest repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.